In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Calendly link. If you've ever wanted an easy, professional way for people to book time with you without the back and forth, this is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable link that sends invitees straight to your availability so they can choose a time that works for both of you. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Calendly account in a web browser. You don't need any special setup for this. We're simply going to grab your scheduling link from the place Calendly keeps your meeting types. First, go to Calendly. Head to your scheduling area where your meeting types live, things like a 15-minute intro call or a 30-minute meeting. This page lists each option you offer, and each one has its own unique link. If you land on your dashboard, just navigate to the section that shows your meeting or event types. Once you see those tiles, you're in the right spot. Think of this page as your control center for sharing availability. If you're prompted to sign in, do that and you'll be brought right back here. Next, click on Copy Link. Find the specific meeting type you want to share and look for the Copy Link button on that tile. Click it, and Calendly will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard. That's it. Your scheduling URL is ready to paste anywhere. This link takes invitees directly to that exact meeting type, showing only the times you've made available for it. A quick tip on choosing the right link. If you want people to book a general meeting with you, use the link for your most common meeting type. If you run different formats, say discovery calls and follow-ups, copy the link for the specific one you want them to book. That helps set expectations on duration, location, and any questions you've set for that booking flow. When sharing your link, add a short line of context so people know what to expect. For example, pick any time that works for you. Calendly automatically handles time zones based on the visitor's browser, which reduces confusion. If someone can't find a time, you can adjust your availability later. Your link stays the same. And that's all there is to it. Go to Calendly, then click Copy Link for the meeting type you want to share, paste it into an email, a chat, your website, or your signature, and you're ready to receive bookings. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.